Riding the fastest roller coaster in the world. Day 19 of Project 50. Today, I will ride the Formula Rosa, which is the fastest roller coaster in the world. We went to Ferrari World just for this beast of a ride. Sadly, I can't film while riding the Formula Rosa. Phones aren't allowed, but here's what it looked like. Experience, parang literal na hinihipan yung kaluluwa mo palabas. Pero sobrang saya. One of those moments na kahit kabado ka, sulit kapag nagtiwala ka sa sarili mo. And I came to my realization. Ang buhay parang roller coaster. Minsan mabilis, minsan nakakatakot, minsan masaya, minsan parang bitin. Pero kung hindi ka sasakay, hindi mo mararanasan ang ganda ng ride. Kaya habang may chance ka pa, sumubok ka. Huwag mo sayangan ang mga pagkakataon dahil lang sa takot.
You did. My God! Nakaya mo! Such a brave boy! High five! Galing!
After that, nagutom na si mama kaya kumain muna kami. Sumakay lang kami ng mga ibang rides, pero magsasara na yung park kaya nag-decide na kaming umalis. Gusto pa ni mama mag-ice cream, kaya nagpa-IKEA kami. Masarap daw doon. After that, umuwi na rin kami. And ayun lang for my day 19 and day 19 of the road to 50k per month. See you guys.